In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to render with a transparent background using the alpha channel in Cinema 4D. If you've ever wanted your 3D render to sit seamlessly over graphics, footage, or a website without a solid backdrop, you need a transparent background. In Cinema 4D, that's done with the alpha channel. Think of the alpha channel as a built-in cutout. It tells other programs which parts of your image are opaque and which parts are invisible, so you don't have to manually mask anything later. Let's set it up the right way. Start by opening your render settings. You can get there from the top toolbar or the render menu, whichever you prefer. Inside render settings, head to the Save tab. This is where the file format and output options live, and it's crucial for transparency. Change the format to something that supports an alpha channel, like PNG or TIFF. Formats such as JPEG won't work for this because they don't carry transparency information. PNG is a popular choice because it keeps file sizes manageable and preserves clean edges. Now, the key switch? Enable the alpha channel checkbox. This is what embeds the transparency information into your output. Without this, even a PNG will render with a solid background. Next, make sure your scene isn't forcing a background into the final image. If you have a background object, a sky, a dome light with an HDRI, or a backplate image, those can fill the frame and prevent a clean, transparent result. You have two simple options. Either delete those background elements entirely, or turn them off so they don't render. The goal is to leave only the objects you want visible in the final image. If you're unsure whether something counts as a background, ask yourself, does it sit behind everything and cover the frame? If yes, disable it before rendering to transparency. Once those items are off and your alpha channel is enabled, go ahead and render. A quick test render at a lower resolution is a smart way to confirm everything looks right. When you view the result, you should see your subject cleanly isolated, with transparency where the background used to be. When you import this image into a video editor or design app, it should naturally sit on top of whatever is beneath it without any halo or solid color. And that's it. Choose a transparency-friendly format, turn on the alpha channel, clear out background elements, and render a clean, ready-to-composite image from Cinema 4D.